When developing Automax, our approach was to transform the shredder category with the high-quality performance, features, and reliability that are synonymous with the Fellows brand. We focused on creating the first truly walk-away shredder, allowing you to take back your time for a more productive work life. Introducing Fellows Automax, the new standard in auto feed shredding. The Automax line features two commercial models, the 300C and the 500C, for use in shared workplaces. The core of the innovation is our proprietary SureFeed technology. It uses a paddle system to ensure a consistent feed into the robust, high-capacity cutting block. Unlike other auto feed shredders on the market today, with the Automax, you can shred everything that a traditional shredder can without limitations. No more wasting time and effort preparing documents. Fellows Automax shredders do it all. Shred crumpled paper, double-sided color printed paper, glossy paper, multiple sheets folded over, paper clips, staples, even junk mail and CD, DVDs. Automax delivers dynamic performance from every angle. Consumer-driven features like the Jam Guard system provide hassle-free operation, while Smart Lock ensures confidential document security. It's also ultra-quiet and energy-efficient. The versatile flat-top design, pull-out drawer, and touchscreen control panel make using the Automax easy. Additionally, the delayed start feature on the 500C lets you schedule shredding at your convenience. Experience what a true auto feed shredder should be. Hands-free and hassle-free.